Hi children, how are you all? I think all are fine. Today we will learn about water animals. Okay, open your GK second chapter water animals, page number 189. Okay, water animals. Water animals are the animals that live under water. Okay, we see several kinds of animals in the water like oceans, seas and rivers. Water animals, they don't have legs, they have fins and flat tail. With help of these fins and tail, they easily swim in the water. Some will have scales on the body. They are from fish, shark, octopus and so on. Water animals, they cannot live on land. They breathe with the help of gill. Some animals can live both on land and in water. Such animals are called amphibians. What is that? What are amphibians? Some animals can live both on land and in water. Such animals are called amphibians. For examples, frog, crocodile, turtles. Okay? See here children. What is this? Yes, this is fish. Okay, tell me, how do fish breathe in water? How do fish breathe in water? Yes, as it won't be able to breathe outside water. Why? If we can breathe outside water, then why cannot fish do that too? That's because we have lungs to breathe. Next, what we breathe is oxygen, and when it enters the windpipe, it goes straight to the lungs. Okay. The lungs help us to breathe in air. Fish don't have lungs. Yes or no? Fish don't have lungs. No. Fish don't have lungs. They have gills. Okay. In this fish, where has lungs? Where has gills? Yes, this is gill. I write for you. You also write in your textbook neatly and correctly. Okay? Gill. Okay, tell me, what are gills? What are gill? They are similar to our lungs. Behind its mouth they have holes just like our nose. Fish breathe by taking in oxygen from the water in drinks. The gills separate the oxygen present in the water and throw out the water and the carbon dioxide. Okay, next, what about fins? Where are the fins? Yes, these are fins. F-I-N, fin. These are the fins. Okay. Second one, fin. Fishes do not have limbs like other animals. They move with the help of fins. We have legs, okay, but do not have legs. Fishes do not have legs. They move with the help of fins. We are move with the help of our legs, no? Fishes, they move with the help of fins. The size and number of fins differ in different fishes. Understood, parents? Or understood, children? Yes. Then next, fish have different eye shape. See here, fish have different eye shape. Why? Yes, because fish can detect color. Fish eyes are more round. This is fish eyes are more round than in mammals because of the refractive index of water, and focus is achieved by moving the lens in and out, not distorting it as in mammals. Okay. Next, mouth. Where the mouth? Yes, is there? It is mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Right here, mouth spelling. The mouth shape is a good clue to what fish eat. The largest is the bigger the prey it can consume. Okay. Then next you can tell me, what is fish scale? Yes, these are so many scales are there. Okay, what is fish scale? Scales. These scales provides effective camouflage through the use of reflection and coloration. Okay, these scales provide effective camouflage through the use of reflection and coloration. Okay, tell me children, what is the use of tail to the fish? Remaining one, tail. It is tail. It is fish tail. What is the use of tail to the fish? Yes, fish swim by flexing their bodies and tail back and forth. Fish stretch or expand their muscles on one side of their body while relaxing the muscles on the other side. This motion moves them forward through the water. Fish use their back fin. This is fish back. This is back fin. Fish use their back fin called the caudal fin to help push them through the water. This is back fin. This is called caudal fin. Called the caudal fin. This fin to help push them through the water. This is tail. First one is, these are fishes scales. So many scales are there. Okay. Next, second one is, this is fin. Okay. You also write in your textbook correctly. Third one is tail. This is fish tail. Next, fourth one is gill. Where is gill? Yes, it is fish gill. Next, fifth one is mouth. This is fish mouth. Next, sixth one is fish eye. This is eye. Okay. Some fish have different ways to attack or save themselves from other animals. Okay, let's read about them. First one, jellyfish. Jellyfish look beautiful, but its sting can be dangerous. Jellyfish look like a very beautiful, but its sting can be very dangerous. You can get stung even if you step on a dead jellyfish. Okay. When a flying fish senses danger, it first swims really fast and then lifts its body out of the water. It looks like the fish is flying. Okay. Okay, children. You also write in your textbook page number 189 and write neatly and use pencil for writing. Okay. You also name the parts of the fish. I think all are able to. Water animal, fish. Okay. Next we will continue. Take care. Bye. Do work. Stay safe. Bye.